I thought I would show you a quick flip through of a couple of mine. And you can see I just took something that I liked out of the book and put it on the front. And again, you know, these are journals that I work in every day. It's not about, for me, it's not about creating pretty art. It's about getting my truth and my story out onto the page. This is one of those days I was talking about. This says inspiration absent, and that's okay. I showed up, you know, I worked on it. That one got a little sticky. This one says confiding to strangers who become companions. That's how I feel about you guys in the deep. And some pages, this is an older journal, some pages aren't finished. And that's okay too. This is my inner critic, the heckler. Tell the most real story that you can. That's the challenge. There's that one. And this is the big one that I'm working in now. Let me make sure you can still see. I mean, it's just huge. Sorry, I'm moving things out of the way. That's an unfinished page. Unfinished page. Unfinished page. That's where that pencil was. Let's see. I think I got a few more in here. You know, you can see how chaotic these pages are, and as soon as I look at it, I realize, you know, I'm instantly taken back to what I was feeling. And I think that's it in this book. Hopefully you enjoyed this. And, you know, I have, I don't know, probably 100 books, because this is my container for my growth and for my art. And then, you know, there's people who say, well, what's the purpose of art journaling? For me, the purpose of art journaling is so that I get to know myself. And, you know, there are pieces in these books that I will pull out to create what some people call real artwork with. But this has become, you know, my body of work is kind of spilling my truth into these books.